Hey, what's up guys? My name is Nate over here at Domestic Diesel, Chino, California. We do a lot of light duty Ford, Chevy pickup. We are about, I'd say just shy about 10,000 square foot shop in the back here. Tech wise, probably got about 9 techs in total. Before any type of evaporative cooler, I mean, it'd be in the 90s back here. It was very hot, sometimes even hotter, depending on the outside temp, and it was a struggle, As a lot of small auto shops, many can relate, is you got a lot of fans sitting around, kind of like guys like these, and it just wasn't cutting it. So a couple of years ago, we got some evaporative coolers, and it was a game changer. The tech productivity, I could definitely say that's an increase. Even personally, working on, back when I was in the back, or even when I work on a personal vehicle, I mean, yeah, 100%. My favorite feature for evaporative coolers, I mean, really just the overall temperature drop it could bring into a space like this, because there is no airflow, you don't see windows, you don't see doors, it's very stagnant, and the fact that it could bring an ambient temperature inside of a building down, I mean, even a 5 degree difference is big, but 15, 20 degrees, that's probably my favorite part.